Hello students, this is Shudhari. In this video, we know the line clipping algorithm with an example. We solve the one numerical which was asked in your previous examination. So we discuss on that. Okay. So the question is apply the Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm to clip the line. The line is given PQ with a 10, 30 and Q is a 80, 90. And second line is XY with the X is 50, 80 and Y is 60, 30. Against the window ABCD is given with the A coordinates is 20, 20 and B is 90, 20 and C is 90, 70 and D is 20, 70. How we have to first solve this one? So as per the Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm, a first step is read the coordinates of a given window and draw the according the what are the lines are given. So bit code according to once we get the bit code, so according to bit code we have to draw a window and as well as a line. Okay. So for Cohen Sutherland we have to make the 9 region code, right? How we have to get these 4-bit binary number we know, right? So how they are getting we know. So first step, read the coordinates of the given window and draw. This is our window given. Okay. According to the question we have to make the graph and we get the window. And then read the bit codes of a line, that is P is 30 10 30 means X is 10, Y is 30 and Q second end point of a line is 80, 90. So read their coordinates means a 4-bit value, 4-bit of a binary digit. According to the region code we have to find this 4-bit region code. Okay. So P is here and Q is here. So according to this is our window, right? The window is this one. So both the P and Q are outside the window. So first need to calculate the region code is P is a 0001, right? So here left side is there, na? That's why we get the 0001 for a P and 100 is for your Q coordinate, means end point of a line. So like that we have to read the X and Y values according to the bit region code is for X is 1000 means that is the top and Y is 00 means it is in under the window. So what we next? How we have to do the calculation? How we have to clip these lines? We'll see. So for this, before the clipping, we know the what are the X windows mean value that is given of a right here. From here the window will start A B C D, right? So first XW min value is 20 and XW max is 90 means the B values. Okay. Next YW min is 20, okay, and YW max is 70. So height and width we can say this one. We got the minimum maximum X value and minimum maximum value of a Y coordinates we got from the question. So what is the next step you have to perform? Once we get the region code for a slope of line PQ, then we need to check with the second step you have to 00 means the both points end points are get the same value of a 00, then it is fully visible. But in our case P is having a region code is 0001, right? So Q is 100. So performing our operation we get once, right? So second step we have to performing a logical AND operation. Then we get a 00. It means we can clip the line. Means it will be a partially visible if you clip that particular line. Okay. So after confirming that the line is partially inside the window, then we find the intersection with the boundary. Means with the help of window boundary, we have to calculate the first step, taking the both point P and Q region value. We got a, after performing AND operation we get 0 0. Then when it will be visible partially. So for that next step you have to find out the slope of this using P and Q values. The P and Q values have already mentioned. So slope is m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And what we get? We get 6 by 7 or we can say 0.85. Okay. Now, what's the next? With the help of this, P region code is 001. That is the left of the window. Then we have to calculate the intersection point of a P to P dash. Okay. So what is the formula that top, bottom, right, left? According to that, we got the region code. With the help of region code, we get the slope value of a P and Q line. Then we have to calculate the P to P dash, how the intersection. So we know the intersection is left of the window boundary, right? So P is 10, 30, Q is 8, 90. So what is the X value here? X is XW min, means minimum of X value is given is 20, right? So Y is Y equals to Y plus YW min minus of X and multiply with your slope value. Here y is p of xy coordinate value we have to take, and x value also we x is xw min is 20. Windows, right, xw min we are saying. So for that Windows minimum value we have to take the 20. And what is the y? Y equals to y is a p's value, that is a 30. This 30 how to mention here, plus xw min is 20 minus of x, that is your p value of a x coordinate value you have to insert here. 20 minus 10 into your slope value 0.85. Instead you can say 6 by 7, whatever you wish you can take, and then we get the value of a y. So that is 38.5. Okay. Like this, the both, this is for a P to P dash intersection, and Q is also region code of a on top one, right? 1000. So for that we have to calculate the x and y values. Here 20, 80 and 90 is a q coordinate. The x equals to x plus, means this is x of a q value 80 plus yw max, that is a higher value of a maximum of a y is 70 minus y, here q's y coordinate value is 90. So mention this one and divided by the slope value because it is a top one. So we have to divide the slope. We get the x value is 56.47. After the calculation of this, we get the 56.47. What is the y? Y is equal to yw max, that is a 70. Okay. Now find out the x and y lines. Okay, how it is clipping or not. So first of all, we have to read the region code of x and y coordinates. Y is getting a 000, means that is in a window, but x is not. So how we have to clip that? So here we have to find out the xy line slope value first. Okay, then we have to perform the AND operation. We getting the 0 we know. So after getting the AND operation result is 0 we have to find out the slope with the help of x and y coordinates value. That is x is having a 50 for x value, 80 is y coordinate value. In y points having a x value is 60 and y is 30. So slope you have to find out with the respect to the x and y lines, that is 30 minus 80 divided by 60 minus 50. So we get a minus pi of a slope. So we know y is in a window, so we have to just clipping on a x coordinate values. So x is appear at the top of the window, or you can say boundary of a top window, it intersecting. So what is the intersection point of a x is x dash. We calculate that one, x equals to x plus yw max minus of y divided by of your slope value. And what is the y? Y is equals to yw max. So here x is, you have to taking the coordinate x, the point of x is, x value of x is 50. So for how to take the 50 plus yw max is 70 minus of y is here 80. Okay, so divided by f slope is minus 5. We get a of 50 minus of 10 divided by minus of 5, we get the 50 plus of 2. So x value we get a 52, means the x dash value is 52 and y max is 70. So now override the endpoints with a new one and update it. Okay, so it will repeat it if you have any other lines in the window, so you can continue the procedure. This is same to continue all the lines we are given. So end result of this will, we get a, the lines of a given is, this is for your PQ. After clipping the line is like this, and this is your XY, so we get this one. Okay, this is your, according to the question, this is your diagram. Okay, so after clipping the PQ is shifted here and XY X is shifted here. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Here this intersection is, we assign the P dash. Okay, sorry, P dash, and this is your Q dash because it is clipping, right? So here this is a X dash and this is your as usual Y is there. So this is a simple explanation of your or numericals of a Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm. We will see in our next video with other algorithms. Okay. I hope all the concept is clear here, how we have to calculate the slope and everything. We'll meet in a next video. Thank you.